Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show how to install Python 3 in Windows. So you can first head on to python.org. The links is in the description so you can easily go there. Now go to the download section and click download for Windows. Now note that Python 3.5 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier, and for the base for doing Python work, consider at least downloading Python 3.6. Latest Python version is always fine, but never go beyond Python 3.6. Now Python 2 is still available for legacy purposes. So click on Python 3.8 and this should start the download. Now after downloading Python, click on the Python installer. This should open the Python installer window. First click add Python 3.8 to path. Now click on customize installation. Now here every checkbox should be selected. Now click on next. Now on the advanced options, click on install for all users. Now if you want to do Python debugging, then you should also select these two checkboxes below, but if you are going to use Python as normal, then you don't need to select this. Now you can also customize the location. So the location should be program files x86 and the Python version. Now another recommended place to install Python is directly in the C column, that is the Windows file location. Now click on install. Now I have already installed, so I can just cancel this. After you have installed Python, you can start the command prompt by pressing Windows R key. This should open the run menu. Now type cmd. This should open the command prompt. Now you can start Python by either typing py. Now also to exit the Python console, you can type in exit, and you can also type in Python. These two methods should open the Python console, which is normally represented by this 3 greater than signs. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If it helped you, then mention in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.